Flowcrete, keeping you abreast of technology and ahead of the rest. In this video clip, you see a 350mm polyblock being concreted with a 100mm thick concrete topping of 30 MPa. The advantages of polystyrene are as follows. Less dead load on foundations. This allows for first floor construction without necessitating the underpinnings of existing foundations. Better acoustics and thermal properties. This contains noise and assists with temperature control. The polyblock system is quick and easy to assemble. In this application for PACCON, the slab was required to carry 4 tons per square meter to accommodate the large plant and production operations. Polystyrene has been used in construction for decades, but only recently has become cost-effective due to higher petrol and cement prices. The block has no structural value and is therefore only a cost-effective permanent shutter. The polystyrene used today is environmentally friendly and also complies with fire ratings that meet industry requirements and standards.